Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got our truck in. This is probably the biggest job that I've done at the shop by myself. As far as wreck wise, part wise, money wise, it's a big job. Got the whole side of it, got the front of it. I'm gonna kind of show you guys in here a little bit. So I believe it hit a pole, and man, got the bumper, tow hooks laid down. Hopefully it didn't get the frame rail, it just busted that hook down. But it's got the support and a lot of stuff there behind the grill. Fender's definitely shot, so is both doors and the bedside. It looks like we got the wheels, but check this out. I mean, it laid it in good. And all the way down the side, we're just gonna figure some doors. This one didn't look too bad till we end up tearing the metal right there. And I could pull that out, but I'd end up making that hole worse, and it'd just be a mess. It'd be a newer truck. We're just gonna put a door on it. And it got the uniside a little bit. And then same thing with the bedside. And maybe the inner wheel well, like it tore right there and it shoved this. There's a brace behind here, and it looks like it probably pushed that in too. And then it got the bumper and some of this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on getting this front end apart, just the grill and tow hooks and everything, because that's where the main surprise damage is that I don't know yet. I'm gonna throw you guys on a tripod. Hope y'all enjoy. So we got all the easy stuff out of the way. Now it's the tricky part. This bumper, way it was hit, the brackets are kind of all folded. So we can't really get to the bolts. So we gotta try to pull the stuff out. It's all burnt, it's bent, we're replacing it. But we're gonna try to move everything out of the way so we can get to the bolts, so we can get the bumper off and see just how bad it is behind there. So case in point, these are the two bolts that we gotta get to on this side, and there's some bolts on the bottom. But those two is ones we got to get off. You get the grill out, it's right there. The side that we've got wrecked, there's one, we could probably get to that. Probably stick a wrench on it. But the other one, she's leaned over pretty good. I'll stick you guys back on the tripod, see if I can get my slide hammer and pull this out just so we can get to it. So we've got our Silverado tore apart as far as the front of it. We got to swap out the fender and the doors and the bedside, that whole side, but I'm not going to mess with taking anything apart until I have all the parts in. But we've seen all the hidden damage, and there's a pretty good bit of it, from the apron in there to structural parts to the tow hook. It ended up boogering up the front of that frame just a little bit. Not crazy bad, but just a little bit. But I figured it would, because the tow hook, they're supposed to be like this, and one of them was straight down, so I figured there was going to be some damage there, and it was. But that's kind of what it looks like right now with the front end tore apart of it. And now what we're going to do, like I said, is wait for our parts to come in. Hopefully we'll have them pretty quick, and then we can start doing everything to the front, getting it fitted, and then start swapping out all the cosmetic stuff, which would be the fender and the doors and the bedside and all that good stuff. But thank you guys for watching. I'm going to try to have this like a series where we'll have several parts, because there's just so much to this truck. It's really hard to catch this all in one video, especially for a beginner like me still getting the hang of doing some of this long form content. But thank you everybody for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Any questions or comments or anything, leave them in the comments. And I love to hear from you guys, and I'm trying to do better on checking the comments and replying to them. But y'all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.